5 ways to kick your metabolism into high gear. Whether you are looking to ramp up your fat loss after working out or are looking to just maintain your weight while still eating the foods you enjoy, it all comes down to your metabolism and how fast it is. For some individuals, they can eat as much as they want and not gain any excess weight, while others will eat a couple pieces of pizza and gain a few pounds. This is because those in the latter group haven't made their bodies into efficient fat-burning machines. Keep watching to find out 5 ways you can kick your metabolism into high gear so that you can start losing the weight, or at least maintain it, while still enjoying your cake. 1. Make sure you are building muscle. You can keep your metabolism running high by building up the amount of muscle that you have. Since muscle is heavier and denser than fat, it will burn more calories and therefore more fat. If you lose all your muscle while trying to lose weight, your body will slow down. 2. Get up and be active as much as possible. If you like to watch a lot of television, make sure you are getting up every 15 to 20 minutes and doing a quick exercise. The idea here is to frequently be active as much as possible so that you can burn more calories and keep your metabolism up. Being inactive for long periods of time will make your body sluggish. 3. Do interval training. When you exercise in short, intense bursts, you are able to improve your fitness levels drastically. Not only will this burn more fat, but it will burn more calories and increase both your muscle strength and cardiovascular systems. 4. Make sure to exercise your mind. Exercising and keeping your mental health is critically important and one of the least talked about methods for boosting your metabolism. If you're able to manage your stress levels effectively, you can ensure that your hormones stay in check. Use stress management methods, journaling, coloring, meditation, and yoga to reduce your stress levels and stay happy. 5. Do not skip meals or previous hours of sleep. When you go for long periods of time between meals, this can actually make weight loss more difficult because it changes your body chemistry. If you end up binge eating because you went all day without any meals, this is what causes overeating and weight gain. Other than this, do not lose out on sleep. Chronic sleep deprivation causes your body to slow down and perform at lower than optimum levels. Other than this, make sure you are eating a diet that is packed full of nutrients and is high enough in calories that your body stays fueled throughout the day. One of the mistakes that people make is eating too few calories, which causes the body to switch into the fat storage mode, or otherwise known as starvation mode. This is definitely something you do not want if you are trying to lose fat and keep your energy levels up.